Hi guys, in today's video I am going to talk about the OnePlus 5T, which is a flagship phone for under Rs 33,000, which is a 6GB RAM variant and 64GB internal. Let's check out the physical overview of the device. On the top there is nothing. On the right side of the phone there is SIM ejector tool and a lock button. On the bottom there is a single firing speaker with a headphone jack. Coming to the left side of the phone there is a alert slider and a volume rocker. As you can see, it is running very properly. The do not disturb mode and the ringing mode. Coming to the Android version of the device, as it is a stock Android, it is running on the Android version 7.1.1, which is no good. And as you can see, it is a 6GB RAM variant. Let's check out the storage of the device. Out of 64GB of storage, 52GB is free. And coming to the RAM management, out of 6GB of RAM, 4.3GB of RAM is free. And guys, as this phone does contain dash charging, which can charge your phone up to 50% in 15 minutes or an half an hour. Let's check out the camera of the device, which is best camera setup in the price range. Out of which is a regular camera and the other is a telephoto lens. There is also a portrait mode which works properly in the device. As you can see, it can zoom very far. And the video recording is up to 4K. This is the portrait mode which works properly. This is a camera sample which I have clicked. As you can see, the background is blurred properly. As this device contains high RAM management, which can run heavy apps without any lag. There is no issue in that problem. There is no lag in any of the games or any of the apps. So guys, this was the quick review of the phone OnePlus 5T. So if you like the video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.